Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah.
Hey loves, my name is Brianna K, or you might know me as Bits of Brie, and today is a Christmas time cook and clean with me for 2019. I know the holiday season has felt really crazy over here, so if stuff is feeling out of control or if you're just exhausted and looking for some cleaning motivation to do a quick tidy up around your home today, this video is for you. Who is feeling stressed right now? Let me know what's stressing you out in the comments if you feel like it. Sometimes it just feels so good to get it off your chest and then get stuff done. So get up, let's go, let's get our homes cleaned up and feel less stressed because it's time to cook and clean with me. Today we're going to be tackling a bunch of stuff on my to-do list. I wanted to change all of the bed sheets, I have laundry to do, I had to tidy up and straighten all around the house, I had to sweep the floors, I had to cook dinner for me and the kiddos, and then I wanted to do a clean of the kitchen, sort of an after dark once the kids were in bed, and then mop all of the floors with my steam mop so that I could wake up to a perfectly cleaned house. And if you like this printable that I'm using for my to-do list, you can get them for free. Just sign up with your email on my blog. This week was particularly stressful because my husband Adam was out of town for work, so I was on solo mom duty, and Blue Apron helped alleviate so much of my stress for meal planning that week. So thank you, Blue Apron, for sponsoring today's video. This just helped me feel like I was serving the kids something really healthy and delicious with no stress on me, because Blue Apron gets delivered right to your door. Everything is fresh, all of the ingredients are portioned out, and the directions are incredibly easy to follow. There are 16 recipes that you can choose from every single week, and you can choose any combination of those recipes within your plan, and they offer flexible plans. There's a 2-person plan and a 4-person family plan. We got the 4-person one. There's no commitment. You can skip or cancel service at any time, and prices start as low as $7.49 per serving. And all of the meals we had were so delicious. I was seriously impressed, so I had to recommend this to you. The first 50 people to sign up will get $60 off over their first 3 weeks of Blue Apron. So make sure you use that link in my description box, especially if you're trying to cut down on stress this holiday season or just go into the new year with less stress. Give Blue Apron a try to serve your family healthy meals without any of the meal prep stress. And I just absolutely love using Blue Apron. So back to cleaning, I'm changing all of the sheets on our beds. I try to do this once a week unless I need to do it sooner because of the kids being sick or something like that. So go ahead, change out your sheets so that when you go to bed tonight, you get to sleep on a nice and soft, clean smelling set of sheets.
How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? Well, have a pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now.
Next, I threw in some laundry. I try to stay on top of my laundry, but I just never feel quite like I can. I'm sure you feel that way too. So go ahead, throw in some laundry so that you can get a load done today. And I don't know if you're feeling this way, but lately I see so many people, whether it's on social media or family and friends, who are just really struggling. And it's so hard this time of year if you've had a loss, because trust me, I get that. I'm going through really hard first times, missing my dad a lot right now. Or if you just have other personal stuff going on, it can be really hard. It can be clashes in families or friendships, but I promise you it is going to get better. And I just never want you to feel alone when you're going through these things. I just hope you know you've got a space here and a community full of love and support. We're all rooting for you. So if there is something you would like for me to pray on or anyone else in this community, let us know in the comments. You don't have to share the details, but you can just ask for some prayers, and I would love to send you some love and virtual hugs your way, and anybody else who will offer up a prayer for you too. I just know it's going to get better for you, and I just will continue sending you all of my love. Next, I'm doing a tidy up of our downstairs so that the family room looks nice and neat. Since I can see this space during dinner, I just like to see it tidy so that I feel more at peace. But let me know if you have a space like this that you need to tidy up regularly so that you feel less stressed. Maybe it's your office space or your kitchen if that's where you're in the most, but I just feel like it helps so much to make me feel better about life. Next, we're going to sweep the floors, so grab your vacuum or turn on your Robo-Rock and get those floors clean today.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way. And it's kinda strange, don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
Okay, time to fold some of that laundry that I threw in earlier. So if you've got that laundry that's been hanging out in your dryer that you need to fold, go get it and let's fold it together.
I think I've waited all these years for you right here. But how will I ever know if you go? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
Who is done with their holiday shopping yet? Not me. I still have some last minute things to get done, but I wanted to share a couple of stocking stuffer ideas with you. I had asked over on Instagram and there were a lot of questions about this. So in case you're needing some last minute stocking stuffer ideas, these are all very easy to find at the last minute. Okay, so I'll start quickly with the kids. So for Presley, she's obsessed with any form of lip gloss. So I got her a bunch of those. These hot chocolate spoons, like any sort of little chocolate treats. But those little snowman truffles were so cute. Some toothpaste, hair ties, nail polish, fruit snacks. Landon's has some overlap too. So toothbrushes, bath drops for in the bathtub, some little chocolate football treats, another hot chocolate spoon. He's got some toothpaste. He's got some watercolor paints, fruit snacks, and socks. For my husband, pretty much anything sugar he wants. So I got different gummies and chocolate treats. Thought these were so adorable for Christmas time. He also got the hot chocolate dunking spoon, and I got a little Disney teacup ornament for him. And if you're looking for some ideas for her, I found a bunch of really good stuff beauty-wise, so different dry shampoos, makeup wipes. You can get mini versions of palettes or lip glosses, hair clips. This is like a hair deep conditioning mask. I've also got these cups still available on my Etsy shop if you want to check those out. Charging cords, nail files, and of course I love my different scented plug-in bulbs. So these are all a bunch of ideas you can go run out and get last minute if you need to.
Like a shift in the flow, a change coming, it's inevitable. In a paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fade.
All right, after eating dinner with the kids and putting them to bed, I had some dishes to do, and then I did a scrub of the kitchen sink so that it was nice and clean.
In the paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fade. In the sunrise, we can flee the night. Flee the night. Someone who knows what is to come, 'cause the future's set deceiving.
Cigarettes on the table, dirty plates on the stove. I don't know if you know where to start, but I know where you'd like to be. I'm afraid that I've lost you, 'cause you're hiding from me. Yeah, it shows that it's cost you a lot to be like the rest of us, to be like the rest of us. I've been waiting so long for the storm to rise.
Next, I wanted to wipe down all of my appliances and wipe down my countertops.
Dancing away with the world in your eyes. Oh, goodbye, Virginia. Goodbye, Virginia. Got your feet on the table and you're winking your toes. You got eyeballing down to an art that is working too well indeed. I need someone to talk to when you're hiding from me.
And after cooking, I also needed to clean my stovetop.
No, I can't wait for the weekend. Waking up next to you. We'll be sharing.
Now I'm just doing a quick sweep for all of the crumbs that might have gotten around the table where I cooked before, so that when I use my steam mop, I can clean all of the floors really well. It is the best when you get to wake up to a perfectly clean kitchen and sparkling clean floors the next morning. I don't know if anyone else feels that way, but it's my favorite.
I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Yeah. Haven't seen you in so long, though we text every day, and still my feelings are so strong. How I miss your face. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday, yeah. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Can't wait another year, just talking on the phone.
And I'm doing one last tidy of the family room and mopping the floors in here so that, again, I just want to wake up to a nice and tidy house the next morning. But I sure am ready for bed after all this cleaning and cooking. Can't wait to lay down on my fresh sheets. I hope that you enjoyed cleaning with me today and got some cleaning motivation to tackle your to-do list. Click the thumbs up if you did. And I hope this helps you get stuff done around your home, get rid of some of that holiday stress, or if there's a mess, you can take back some control. And just remember, it's happening to all of us, so I really hope today's video helped you feel a little bit less alone. Don't forget to check out my link to try Blue Apron, and I'm wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. Bye, loves.
Holiday, yeah. Just wanna have a holiday, yeah. Let's have a jolly holiday.